Good afternoon from AlphaCars. My name is Tom, coming to you from our Hampton location, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2018 Porsche Macan GTS. This Macan GTS is currently showing just over 57,000 original miles, and if you would like to see a high-resolution detailed photo set, please reference the listing at alphacars.com. There, of course, you will also find a free included Carfax report, alongside a long list of technical data related to the vehicle's remaining tire and brake life, as well as individual readings from each panel using our paint depth gauge. But today I'll take you on a quick condition overview around both the interior and the exterior, as well as showing off some of the more notable features. So, starting here on the exterior, you'll find it finished in a stunning, brilliant white paint scheme. See a lot of beautiful black accents to match. Looking here at the paint condition here on the hood, it's absolutely phenomenal, and this entire hood is covered in a paint protection film wrap, which is excellent, especially considering just how good the condition is, even with film on there. You know underneath that paint is even better than it was from the showroom. I'm sure it got paint corrected and really treated nicely. So, moving down the side of the vehicle, looking for any imperfections, you see a couple of very small scuff marks there. Those are just in the paint protection film, which of course carries all the way to the back of this panel. So there's nothing to worry about there, and this may even come out with a gentle polish because you can kind of heel wrap, so that's nice to see. But anyway, let's make our way down the driver's side, looking for any dings, dents, or scratches. We are now not paint protection film coated here on the side of the vehicle, but as you can see all the way to the back, there's no concerns. The paint looks fantastic. Now we get to take a look at these 21-inch 5-spoke wheels, finished in a nice gloss black with that silver trim on the outer rim. They look fantastic, and they have those bright red brake calipers with the Porsche script hidden just behind. You can see on the lower portion of the door, that satin black panel accents the wheels very well, and another wheel here in nice shape at the front. Looking at the front fascia, the styling, of course, classic Porsche Macan, really elegant design. Looks very sporty. It's got all these big functional vents here, which you can see some cooling elements just behind each of those. No issues at all with the front bumper cover. Of course, it is paint protection film wrapped just the same as the hood, so it's all in great shape. Now, making our way down the passenger side of the vehicle, another wheel in nice condition here at the front. And again, we'll go really close to the panel, making our way down the side of the vehicle. No issues to note here on the passenger side. Lastly, we have our final wheel here at the back, also presenting very well. Now, making our way to the rear of the vehicle, you can see you have this nice gloss black accent spoiler there above the rear glass. Taillight lenses are in great shape, no oxidation or discoloration there. You have your Porsche Macan GTS badging finished in gloss black across the hatch. And looking a bit lower, of course, a bumper cover in perfect shape, but you also have these quad exhausts that look fantastic here at the rear. So next up, let's make our way to the interior, where you'll find a spec that matches very nicely with the outside. As we make our way inside, Macan GTS badging there on the door sill. You can see here door cards featuring that beautiful carbon fiber trim. And making our way to the seats, look at the condition, absolutely perfect. And you have that black leather with the kind of contrasting double white stitching and the white Macan GTS badging in the headrest. They present really nicely, and they're extremely comfortable. And also looking at the center console armrest, you have the Porsche crest embossed just there, and you have the double white stitching to match. So, next up, let's take a look around the interior. Here on the dashboard, it's all in just excellent condition all the way across. You can see here carbon fiber trim, as I mentioned before, carries all the way across the interior. Absolutely love that. So let's waste no time and fire it up. Key is, of course, here on the left, and the key fob is in my pocket. Fires up with no hesitation and has 0 warning lights to note, just showing me to put on the seat belt. So we'll start here with this gauge cluster. You can see that nice contrasted gray tachometer, which looks very nice. It's extremely responsive to throttle input. Looking here on the right, we do have that one screen, which is controlled on the right side of my steering wheel. You can see a full color navigation display, as well as various other very cool functions, like your live torque split and a stopwatch. All very nice features. Looking here at the wheel just ahead of me, of course, classic Porsche, absolutely perfect steering wheel. You can see your paddle shifters back there, and then some extremely simple controls on either side, which haven't worn out at all. Beautiful silver center portion with the leather wrap all the way around, looking great. See all of my window switches here on the left side in excellent condition, all that chrome trim intact. That's usually the first thing you'll see wearing out on these interiors. We have, of course, our analog clock / stopwatch there in the center, part of the Sport Chrono package. And now we'll move here into the kind of center console area. I currently have it on the home screen. You can, of course, see our full color navigation display and a nice high definition reverse camera as well. Just under here, under these controls, which are all in great shape, you do have a CD changer there, as well as your media inputs like your SD and SIM cards there. Now looking here through the center control stack, of course, everything presenting beautifully all the way throughout. Not a whole lot of dead switches on this car. One thing about these Porsche center consoles, often about half of these switches will be vacant, so it's nice to see. If you see any flickering there, that's only due to my camera. Here to the human eye, they're on perfectly solid. It's just an anomaly with LED lights. But everything looks great. Heated seats. You, of course, have your sport exhaust button just there, your lane keep assist. You have your vehicle lowering, your suspension stiffness, and some drive mode selection there. Quick shot of some cup holders, as well as that center console armrest I mentioned earlier, which reveals some storage and media inputs. And then just above my head, a massive panoramic roof. And next up, we'll make our way under the hood and take a look at what powers the Macan GTS. See you there. All right, so next up, we'll take a look here under the hood of the Macan GTS. First off, just from a condition perspective, it's all very clean here. Of course, you have the unique aspect of this being a full front-end clamshell hood, so the headlights remain in place and those cutouts move with the hood itself. Very, very cool to see, and of course it makes accessing all of this stuff extremely easy from a maintenance point of view. That's really nice to see. Engine sitting nicely here, well packaged in this engine bay. We have here the 3-liter turbocharged V6, making 360 horsepower, but when you pair that with the PDK transmission in this car, it's absolutely phenomenal performance for an SUV in this class. It's absolutely lovely. You can look here, the cylinder heads there, all very exposed, motor mounts very exposed. From a maintenance point of view, it's a very appealing engine bay. So next up, let's take a quick look here at the rear seats. Equally well appointed to the front, beautiful materials, the same that we see for the front occupants. Door cards look great as well. Now hopping in behind myself, I have the front seat in an extremely relaxed driving position. I forgot to change it to my ideal driving position, so it's a bit tight here at 6'4" sitting behind myself, but really, I could move that seat up quite a lot and I could comfortably ride back here. My friend actually drives a Macan, and I've gone here to Boston multiple times in the back seat, been very comfortable, so no issues there with rear seat room. You can see here we have some third zone climate control in the back, as well as heated seats for both your rear occupants, as well as your charging ports just there. Now finally, we'll make our way to the back, where you have kind of a sneaky opening switch just there mounted to the wiper. Lifts up the power hatch there. And as you can see, extremely clean here in the back. You have the rubber protective mat on the floor, as well as all of your carpeting on the right. Seats can fold down in a 60-40 split. And then the hatch finds its home nice and smooth. So if you have any further questions related to this stunning spec Macan GTS, please reference the listing at alphacars.com, and here you'll find all of the relevant contact information. Thank you so much for your time, and have a wonderful rest of your day. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you from AlphaCars.